This video is basically here to challenge those that like to travel to New York or those interested in traveling to New York. If you only have $20 to your name or $10 to your name, you're able to feed not just yourself, but I was able to share a lot of the food that I consumed. So definitely make sure to subscribe to my channel and let's get into this. So I'm in New York and I'm going to be spending $20 on breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Let's see what I could do. First, we walked over to the corner store, Bagel by the Park. Definitely recommend you going there. Their bagels are made in-house. So is their tofu cream cheese, which is delicious. They had a variety of tofu cream cheese. But yeah, so they had the tofu scallion, tofu vegetable, and tofu sun-dried, which is all delicious. I had some coffee, which I usually don't have every morning, but I enjoy it. And they didn't have any almond milk in-house, but they happened to have some oat milk, which I loved. So I had some oat milk with my coffee and a little bit of stevia. Give it a little stir. Make sure it's all incorporated. I had a house-made everything bagel toasted with some scallion tofu cream cheese, which was so good, and they laid on thick, real thick. So this kept me full until we got to Harlem, and even past that. So I didn't really eat a big lunch. I didn't really eat lunch. I had a snack. So yeah, the bagel was $4, and of course the coffee came up to $2.25. So total was $6.25 for the breakfast. And I had some change left over. And this is the beautiful bagel up close. You see the toastiness, the thickness of this cream cheese. How's it?
Very good.
Like choosing to save more with our friends at Optimum. Now that 2022 is here, I'm thinking about making the switch myself. I've got friends and family members ready to make the switch with me. Oh, and you can join us too. And Optimum flexibility is one reason why. Because with
we're gonna head to the train station, and I had $13.75 left after buying my breakfast. Then we're gonna head over to Harlem. If you're not familiar, it's just Manhattan, but it is Harlem. It's Harlem. And I got a snack from the corner store, a banana and some pistachios. The corner store usually always has bananas. Most corner stores in New York City do. They're usually about $1. So I got that. Then while walking back to the train station, I stopped at a halal truck and I got falafel over rice. Some of them have vegan meal, some don't. Just ask. And then we headed to the train to go home and eat my dinner. You know what I'm saying? And it came in this eco-friendly packaging, which I enjoyed. I got onions and a little salad on the side and a tomato. Then we went to Mia's bakery, or Maya, did I say that right? Bakery. And she has vegan options. So there are about 4 to 5 vegan options.
$3.65. Oh, 3 cents cheaper than I thought.
This place. And I got a cupcake because that was in my budget. In the video, let me know what you guys think about what I eat in New York City for $20 a day. All of the places and etc. Full blog post is down in the description bar. And watch my next video.